And now the news in detail. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar today inaugurated a Chintan Shivir in Shillong, Meghalaya, that will hold discussion on how the people together as a society can follow the path of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. While addressing the gathering, Dr. Kumar said that the idea of the Chintan Shivir is to extend our effort taken in other states of the region and the northeastern states and union territories. According to him, the discussion held during these days will help evolve an action plan to implement Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Vision 2047. Social Welfare Minister of Meghalaya, Paul Lyngdoh, in his address stated that the Chintan Shivir will provide a platform to celebrate our shared vision, values and achievements. While emulating the various welfare schemes of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Lyngdoh said that the ministry has introduced critical schemes to ensure
कि हम कितनी इच्छा शक्ति के साथ में उन योजनाओं को जमीनी धरातल पर उतारते हुए उस वर्ग से जुड़े हुए लोगों के एक और जहां उनके अंदर आत्मविश्वास लाना, वहीं आत्मविश्वास और स्वाभिमान का सम्मान का भाव लाकर उनको कैसे देश के विकास में जोड़ा जा सकता है।
Deputy